see so much different.
I am the champion!
Like, what screen are you on?
Today we're going to do what's in the bag. So you can do good stuff for hiking, or like, or like rock hunting, or like digging for stuff like,
So what's in the bag?
first we have one really good prime.
For electrolytes?
Yeah.
Nice.
And
What
then
else?
We have, it's hard to get out. Awake. Awake. You
For
can,
digging?
Grip it like that.
That's a bench.
And then here's some very good tricks you could take on a hike. And then a protein bar. And then we have something
For protein?
else. Be carried away in the light. These two. So I'm gonna make a tree, but it doesn't have a tree seed. And these are stuff you really need to put it on 5. Like and subscribe to this video.
We're probably going to see some stuff that we don't want to see. That's actually pretty cool. We're just destroying it.
Yeah, we can be kids if we want to.
Swamping.
I'm so strong. I am so strong.
Wait,
Watson,
let's try to do this one. Right here. Now we should get...
How is that so
Watson,
strong?
we should get this piece and put it on...
That was Dad. That was Dad.
Rotten stump.
Wait, is this one?
Mm-hmm.
I
You gotta
just
start
saw
in the
a
middle.
piece off.
Oh, yeah.
Look,
There you go.
Because it's wood, and we have a thing for wood. Let's get it.
Put it in your sample kit.
We only have this and this.
Thought I heard Sasquatch over there. Nope. It's just Dina.
Mom!
They're getting samples of a rotten log.
I need help, Dad.
So what we have in here is some moss, a pretty rock, and dirt, and then we have gravel. And then in here is wood, but not all wood. We have a feather, some more moss, and then sticks, bark, grass, and then some rotten wood.
Is all the stuff that we walked on today?
This is all the stuff that we walked on today.
Okay.
This is all the wood and other crazy stuff that we saw.
Alright. We found out that moss is not mold. Moss is a plant. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I kind of believe Mommy.
But she was wrong. But don't tell her I said that. Oh, wait. I would say that's rotten.
For sure.
Subscribe! Look. Baby new.
It's a slug.
Make sure you don't get in your eyeballs or your mouth. Ew. Oh, that's a sluggy thing.
Easily in grass, but I guess.
I know. That's what we have in our yard. Moldy clothes.
Look. Look, it's so cute, Watson. It actually is kind of cute. It has a big eye, and big eyes are what make...
I need some help.
You need some help?
Yeah.
Are you guys stumped? Dad jokes.
So they actually...
Get all the ants working. I feel bad. Just broke their home.
We found a challenge to break the tree stump open. Listen, if I were you, I'd put that in there just in case you trip and then fall right on it. But I'll do it.
Just don't fall. Yeah.
What you doing? Is there? Sweet.
I just washed my hands though.
Good.
Get these chips at Walmart.
Here at Sam's Club.
Oh, yeah.
What kind of chips are they?
I don't, you don't get that. You get a chip.
Yum. What's the sign say?
I am eating it. Beautiful woman, where are you? Don't go down there. I won. No, 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 no. Daddy,
What up, Mike?
can you put these in the bag?
Yep.
I'm like, clean off. Clean off. It's so funny. I'm coming down. I couldn't have fell down there.
Once and you always do that.
I heard that.
Little fox. Chunky person.
Once in a while.
Gabagino, gabagino.
He's so much different.
I am the
voices.
champion. Yeah, that just screamed out loud. I'm the champion. But this person I be, if I fall off this, I'll get another than I'll be. I am the champion of the house.
He's so funny.
It's so funny. It's so funny. Thank you for all being here.
He's so cute when he